as the centre now plans to allot a unique 12-digit identification number for cows. Now, before you say holy cow there, you heard that right, because the move, as suggested to the Supreme Court, aims at curbing cow smuggling across the Indo-Bangladesh border. And the centre has even mooted a committee headed by the Home Ministry's Joint Secretary to find out ways to generate a unique identification number for each cow in India. Arun Nayal with that rather holy cow story.
Cows could soon be queuing up to get their own unique identities, which could soon be a reality in India. Yes, you heard that right. Amid debate over cow vigilantism in the country, the Narendra Modi government is contemplating to provide Aadhaar-like unique identity to cows to prevent their smuggling. In a report filed before the Supreme Court, the government has suggested a unique number for tracking each cow and its progeny. The committee, headed by Joint Secretary in the Home Ministry, has given recommendations fixing the responsibility of safety and care of abandoned animals on the state governments. It suggests a shelter home in each district funded by state exchequer having space for 500 abandoned animals. It calls for special care of cattle beyond the age of milking, which are more likely to be smuggled outside India, apart from launching a scheme for farmers in distress to prevent sale of animals and free helpline numbers to track their movement. The measure is aimed to stop smuggling of cows at the India-Bangladesh border and ironically comes at a time when the right-wing dispensation is facing flack over violence in the name of cow protection.